How to file a claim on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can file a claim on Mercari. So how do you file a claim on Mercari? It is simple. The first step is to log in into your Mercari's account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Mercari's homepage. On this page, by the top left corner, you'll see your logo, and then by the right side, you see the option for you to sign up or log in and show you are logged in. And then once you're logged in, you'll no longer see the option for you to log in. Instead, you'll see your profile icon. Once you can see that, click on it. By the time you click on your profile icon, you'll see drop down menu. In this menu, click on order history. Alright, and then you'll be taken to your orders page where you'll see all of your orders. Then the next step would be for you to select the order that you'd like to file a claim for. By tapping on the order, you'll see a list of options under this order, like request a refund, like track, and all of that. Ensure you select the option file a claim. Alright, or you can see the option help or contact us. Alright, help or contact us. So click on the help button, and then a mini page will be displayed on the screen asking you to explain your issue. So go ahead, explain your issue. You can include photos of the item, packaging, any relevant information to support your claim, and then follow the prompts to submit your claim for review. So once you've submitted your claim for review, Mercari's customer service team will review your claim and contact you with their decision. Note that this process can take up to 8 weeks. Yes, it can take us 2 months. But if it's approved, your balance will be reimbursed in 5 days. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.